I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon, 5 to 10 degrees warmer than normal in the upper 70s to the low 80s. Tomorrow, our overall warmest day of the next week with widespread highs in the low to mid 80s. Behind the passage of a cold front, winds switch to the northwest on Saturday. Highs for Saturday through Wednesday dropping just slightly into the upper 70s to the mid 80s. The approach of low pressure leads to increasing south winds Sunday through the middle of next week. Next chance of rain may arrive as early as next Thursday. More widespread rain and isolated thunderstorms are expected late next Friday into Saturday with the cold front and low pressure. Even with the cold front's passage, there are no signs of very cold air or freeze. Keeping it mild in the long-term forecast, warmer than normal temperatures continue Tuesday through the first 8 days of next month for Nebraska and Kansas. Rain chances increase for Nebraska and Kansas, with slightly above normal rainfall indicated Tuesday through October 8th. In the latest regional drought monitor, Nebraska saw a big improvement with a 13 percentage point increase to 65% of the state now being drought-free. It's abnormally dry in western Harlan County, right along the Hamilton-York County line, and from the north-central part of Nebraska to the western Sandhills. There was also a major drop of 16 percentage points to 1% of Nebraska being in moderate drought, which includes the northwest corner of the Panhandle through Alliance and to the north of Sinding. For Kansas, there was a 5 percentage point increase to 82% drought-free. It's abnormally dry from eastern Jewell County to the northeast corner and much of far eastern Kansas. Kansas remains steady at 5% coverage of moderate drought, including Belleville to Concordia and Clay Center, right near Kansas City in the very southeast corner. Key weather factors affecting the markets include drier weather in the central U.S. and rain in Argentina, Brazil, and parts of Europe. Dry conditions dominate the plains, Midwest, and Mid-South the next 5 days, which favors an increase in harvest. Rainfall continues the next several days in the eastern U.S., 5-day totals reaching 1 to 3 inches in many areas east of the Appalachians. Higher totals of 2 to 4 inches or more may occur in the mid-Atlantic. Argentina expects widespread rain tomorrow through Saturday, which helps corn planting now and soybean planting next month. Central Brazil, that had been seeing widespread rainfall, turns drier as the wait for more consistent rain continues until next month for the start of soybean planting. Southern Brazil gets a couple of more rounds of rain this weekend through next week, and conditions remain good for widespread planting. Across southern Europe, rain continues for a few more days, benefiting wheat planting and establishment in Spain. Spain, that has been drier, could see heavier rains from the remnants of Hurricane Gabrielle this weekend or early next week. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.